Happened about 2:30 this morning, so we're getting our first look.
Aerial news footage clearly shows the mess from a train derailment in Bowie, Maryland. But what can't be seen is the potentially disastrous situation hidden below.
You could not see the pipe at all. The pipe was underwater.
Field Operations Manager Jim Hudson was one of the dozens from Washington Gas responding to the scene. The derailed train landed on a natural gas transmission line. A toppled car actually hit the pipe, which had a pressure capacity of 400 pounds per square inch.
My utmost concern for everything involved with this is safety. Safety not only for us, those people that were working on the train derailment and the surrounding community and homes.
They quickly worked to reduce gas pressure, this without interrupting service to the area's 1,400 customers.
You know, at that point in time, when you don't know if the pipe is compromised or not, what you do know is that you need to make sure you have control of the gas, the pressures and the flows in that area.
At the site, extremely wet and muddy conditions made it all the more challenging.
Even outside of the pond area was wet. Even heavy equipment couldn't get there, so we had to put mats down.
Washington Gas teams built a temporary access road to bring in equipment. They needed to know, was the line leaking gas? So until they could reach it, they told everyone, including train company CSX, to cease and desist.
We found out later that we're probably one of the few companies that have ever told them they couldn't do any more work on a train derailment until we did our work.
For Washington Gas, safety was priority number one. Even the CSX workers were impressed.
It was obvious that the Washington Gas team shares our commitment to safety. We were very impressed with their collaboration and their ability to quickly assess the situation to help us move forward safely.
It was a 24/7 operation. They were around the clock. People worked shifts that were 30 hours and better at times in the field, under extreme conditions.
To kill a section of pipe and work on its replacement typically takes months of planning. Yet Washington Gas engineering teams had it done in hours.
What really comes out of these things is the amazing teamwork between the groups. All these groups have their own responsibility, and they all have to happen at the same time, and everybody has to have really good communications.
It took 4 days and 4 nights of very hard work in very dangerous conditions, yet they pulled through.
It's an excellent feeling. It makes you put your chest out a little bit further and say, I'm glad I'm a part of this team.
Miriam Nabazad, Washington Gas.